Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are keeping fine. Dear students, are you watching the class? Kindly watch the class, all of you. And during the holiday season, I will send the class for notes will be given to you. Please write it. And let us come back to our English class. What we learned in the last class, we were learning about a bicycle in good repair. So what in that class what we learned? There was a man, Adar, and his friend one day he told him we'll go for a walk. So what they did, both of them decided to walk next day. This man got ready and he was sitting with the cycle everything, and his friend came late. After coming, as soon as he coming, he saw the cycle and he told it may be a good cycle. How is it working? He asked him and he told him no problem in the morning, only towards afternoon some little bit trouble it gives, he told him. Then this man went and touched everything and finally he started to shake the cycle. When he started to shake it was moving this and that, and he saw that told him, and this owner of the cycle told don't do like that and don't hurt that one. But this man didn't listen. And he started to tell that something is problem with your cycle, go and bring the hammer. By the time when you get the hammer, this man removed the front wheel and he was sitting with that one and sitting, and he removed the screws everything and he kept it everything. And when this man told him not to do, he didn't listen. He removed the screws, some of them bent, and cycle wheel was in his hand, other part was down. And when he removed the screw, some of the screw was rolling on the gravel sand. And this both people searched for that one and they found it. Finally 16 screws they found it, and this owner of the cycle what he did, he kept it in his hat. Why he kept it in a hat? It is very small in item and the house was filled with the gravel, small stones, and it may mix up that one, we cannot find out. So because of that he kept it in that one. He knows it is not good idea to keep it in that one, but still not to lose what he did, he kept it all the screws in his hat. Up to there we learned. Next we learned from on page number 129. Please open the text and look into the book. He then said that while he was about it, he would see to the chain for me, and at once began taking up the chair case. I did try dissuade him from that. I told him what an experienced friend of mine once said to me solemnly, if anything goes wrong with your chair case, sell the machine and buy a new one. It comes cheaper. He said, people talk like that who understand nothing about machines. Nothing is easier than taking up a chair case. So now what he did, then he told him that as he was checking the wheel, and he told that he will see to the chain also. You know that cycle there will be a chain, and he wanted to check that chain also. And once he began to taking up the chair case, there was a small box. Chair case means it is covered with that box. He began to remove, and he removed. I did try to discern. I tried my best as he was trying to remove this chair case. I was trying him to check, stop that one, how this man is going to remove and how he is going to do. I told him what an experienced friend of mine once said to me solemnly, and as he was removing, he was really not happy and with angry, and he was telling that he was removing, separating the chair case. No, this man what he did in a loud voice and in a serious tone, he told him what an experience means, as if he is praising like that. He was with an angry tone, with a louder voice. He was telling him that means he was not happy that this person is separating the parts of the chair case. He told him what a serious experienced person you are. That means we know when somebody does something good, we tell them we are your experience in this life. But this man is not telling in a positive way, he is telling in a negative way with a serious tone to him that he doesn't want. He told him, if anything goes wrong with your chair case, sell the machine and buy a new one, it comes cheaper. And this man, and he was removing this chair case, separating the body, he told her, suppose if anything goes wrong in that one, what do? You better sell that one and buy the new one. Why the new ones are very cheaper, he told him. He said, people people talk like that who understand nothing about machine. Even the people will be talking about that one, but everybody who understands nothing about a machine, and he is telling about the machine who understand nothing. Some people even they don't understand nothing about the machine, but they tell this and that. He is telling nothing is easier than taking up your chair case. He is telling it is nothing is easier than better you remove the chair case and separate them separately, and selling the new old one and buying the new one is very cheaper. So what this man is telling, as he was repairing the cycle, he also wants to repair the chain, and he, in order to remove the chain, he removed the chair case box. As he was about to remove, this man is not happy, and he told him, he praised him in an indirect way, like poking him what he experienced here in a serious tone. But this man doesn't understand, and he is telling, suppose if this chair case box is gone, what do? You this, so sell this machine and you buy the new one because it is a cheaper. And he is telling, very everybody know, some people they don't understand about this machine. He is telling, but with nothing is easier. It is very easier than for us. In order taking up chair case, it is not that much difficult for us. It is very easy for us. He is telling him. I had to confess he was right. In less than 5 minutes, he had a chair case in 2 pieces lying on the path and was crawling for screws. He said it was always a mystery to him the way screws disappeared. And what he did, I had to confess he was right, and I have to admit what this man is said is a truth. He was right. What he is saying is a right. I have to admit that one. In less than 5 minutes, what he did, he got the chair case into it. Within a 5 minutes, he removed the chair case into 2 pieces, 2 parts. It is lying on the path on the way where we are walking. It is lying on the, and was crawling for screws and searching for the screws. He removed the chair case and he kept the screws here and there, and he was searching for the screws. Crawling means searching. He said it was always a mystery to him the way screw disappeared. And he said it is always very difficult for him to understand. Why? Because the screws are always, whenever he removes and keeps, what is happening to the screws, it is always disappearing for him. So it is telling it is a mystery. It is very difficult to understand. Whenever I remove these screws, it is always disappearing from my hand. It isn't, I have to search for it again. He is telling. Then crawling means searching, taking off. Taking off, separating. Confess means admit. When we do something mistake or something, we admit them. Yes or no? Even if it is right or not, we have to admit. The truth means truth, wrong means wrong. So now what happened? He is telling, he removed the chair case and became 2 parts within 5 minutes. But after that, he lost the screw and he was searching for the screws. Come on, common sense continued to whisper to me, stop him before he does any more mistake. And as he was doing to the other, common sense, common, we have 6th sense. Sometimes when we are about to do something, it will remind us something, some others, suppose as if somebody is coming and telling to us, like that we feel. So for him, he is feeling that something is telling, whispering means talking slowly, and he is feeling that somebody is telling to him in a low voice, better you stop this man to remove all your repairing your cycles, otherwise what will happen, he may harm to the cycle. Actually the cycle is a good cycle. If he removes one by one part, what will happen, he may do something, he may lose all thing, and something will happen to your cycle. So you just keep on telling some low voices, somebody is telling to you, tell him to stop, don't allow him to do any other work. Before he does any more mischief means before he harms your cycle, better you stop him now itself. You have a right to protect your own property from the ravages of a lunatic. And he is telling, the common sense is telling him that you have the right to protect your own cycle. Not somebody will come and protect your cycle. You have the right to protect your property means our own things, your cycle, from the ravages. Ravages means harm is going to be done for your cycle. So before it is taking place, better you protect from the lunatic means mad fellow. So it is something. He could feel that somebody is telling, in order to protect your cycle, better you stop this man, otherwise something harm may do this mad fellow do to your cycle. So here, must this one, ravages, harm them, harm done by somebody, harm being done by somebody, it can be, okay, it can be yes. Next, lunatic means mad fellow. Next, take him by the scruff of the neck and kick him out of the gate. And you still get the voice is telling, you catch hold of his collar and take him out from there and put him out of your gate. Because why it is telling? Because he is going to do some harm to your cycle. But I am weak when it comes to hurting other people's feelings, and I let him muddle on. So, but when it comes to other people, I cannot take immediately, I cannot get angry with them immediately, I cannot hurt anybody. So, he's telling, I cannot hurt other people's feelings. So, my nature is always, I am very calm and quiet, very fast, I cannot hurt that person. That is the reason now I am struggling here, he is telling. Next, but he gave up looking for the rest of the screws. He said screws had a knack of turning up when you least expected them, and that now he would see to the chain. And he is telling, he gave up, he was searching for the screws, no? He removed that this one chair case and the screws he misplaced somewhere, and he searched and finally he is telling that he gave up, searched, he didn't find out, finally he stopped searching. And he said screws had a knack of turning up. Knack means habit. The screws have the habit of turning up and up when you least expect. When we don't expect them, what happens? Suddenly the screws may be turning upside down and it may move here, go here and there. It may be missing. In that way, when we don't expect something take place, suppose small items we repair something and we removed and kept them without our knowledge. Sometimes what happens? We may search for that and we may not find out. So without our knowledge, what happens? The screws also here what happens? Turning up and down. It is making us to search. Next, and that now he would see to the chain. The same thing now I could feel that one. The screws made me to search for in the chair, make me to search. Next, he tightened it till it would not move. Now what happened? He was about tightening the chain and it was not moving. Next he loosened it until it was twice as loose as it was before. Now he searched for the cycle and he is trying to put under. He tightened the chain, but it was not moving. Now what he did? He made it loose, doubler than before. It was little bit loose. Now it became a double for him. That much he became so much loose the chain. Now what is happening? Then he said, we had better think about getting the front wheel back into its place again. When he loosened the chain, it became so much loose. So he decided, better let us bring the front wheel to the back side and back wheel to the front side. So this is the idea now he brought it. Now what we learn here? As he was searching for the screw, he couldn't find out, and he was telling, this always the screws make mad of me. They will be disappearing here and there, and he is telling and he tried to loose the chain. He was tightened the chain. When he tightened the chain became so hard and it was not moving. Then what he did? He made it so loose. Now it has become very loose. So what he did again? He has came to the other idea. Better we keep the front wheel. Let us bring the front wheel to the back side and the back wheel to the front side. I held the fork open and he worried with the wheel. At the end of 10 minutes, I suggested he should hold the fork and that I should handle the wheel, and we changed places. Now what I did, fork means we eat, we eat with the the spoons will be having the thorns like that. When the foreigners it will be with a fork, they will take and eat like that. So he was searching out of that one, and when he told him, this man was so much worried about this wheel, he told the owner, cycle owner told her, after 10 minutes, now what do? You catch hold of this fork and I will change the wheels and I will try to repair it, he told him. At length, we did get the thing into position, and the moment it was in position, he burst out laughing. So finally, we put it in the proper position, and we put it in the position, this man began to laugh. And I said, what is a joke? What is a joke? Why are you laughing? He said, well, I am an ass. Ass means donkey. He himself is telling that I am a donkey. It was the first thing he had said that made me respect him. And first time he accepted that he is a donkey. So this when he accepted his mistake and he accepted he is a donkey, the owner of the cycle is had really respect for him. Why he had respect for him? Because the way he was repairing the cycle, this fellow, he understood that something has gone wrong with this man. And he was thinking also he is as a mad fellow, but not able to tell him anything. So because of that, he was quietly moving with him. Now when he accepted he himself that he is a donkey, he respected his feeling. I asked him what had led him to the discovery. What is the reason you are calling yourself as a donkey? He said, we have forgotten the balls. The chain, there will be balls will be there. The same thing, the chain, the wheel, there will be a balls will be there. So they didn't put the balls. Without the balls, only they put the chain and they put the wheel. I looked for my hat. It was lying topsy-turvy in the middle of the park. When I was searching for the screws, what happened? Topsy-turvy means upside down. It was turned and it was kept here and there. The screws was kept upside and down. Then he was of a cheerful disposition. He said, well, we must put back all we can find and trust to Providence. He was a cheerful and he is telling that I am always in a, my disposition means my nature, always I am in a happy, in my nature is always I feel happy, he is telling. And he is telling, well, whatever happened, let us what we do. Now let us put back all we can find out, and whatever we find, the screws and everything, with that what we do, we put it again and we will join the cycle, he is telling, and trust to Providence. You believe in me, he is telling. So up to here I complete the lesson. Before I completing, I tell you what is happening today. Today we could see in the class, today he was trying to remove the chain. As he was trying to remove the chain, he told to remove the chain, he has to remove, he said he will repair the chain. As he wanted to repair the chain, he told that he will remove the chair case. As he wanted to remove, this man is telling he was not happy, that he is getting angry with him, but not able to stop him. And finally within 5 minutes he removed the chair case and he is telling that chair case, if it becomes old, it is old means what we will do, we sell it and we will buy the new one and we will add it, he is telling him. And within a minute he removed all the chair case and the screws were missing. When he searched for the screw was missing here and there, and he was searching, so he is telling that always it is for me to take place whenever I remove something, always the screws give me trouble, means they disappear here and there, he told him. And he was searching, finally he didn't find, finally he fed up and he told him leave it. And before, as he was removing, this man was searching for the searching for the screws. This man told him, his common sense is, he is feeling that better you stop him for searching for the, stop him to do the repairing of your cycle, otherwise what happened, this mad fellow will spoil your cycle. But this man wants to tell, but his nature is, he doesn't come to the people very fast. So finally when they say he searched, he couldn't find out, and what he did, he told him, always it is only the habit. What is the habit? Always this screws will be what unexpected things will be taking place because of the screws. I keep the screws here and there, but finally it will disappear, and he is telling to him. And he told him, he started to put the chain and he tightened the chain. When he tightened, it became very hard, and what he did again, he made it loose, doubler than that one. Now completely it became loose, couldn't do anything, and he gave the other idea that front will remove and put it back, and back will put it in front. With that idea he came, and this man what he did on the cycle, he told her, now you leave it to me, I will do it, I will do the repair, I will do the rest of the things. As he said, and they finally connected some of the screws and joined together. But when they joined, this man was laughing at himself. Who? His friend. He asked, why are you laughing? He said, I am a donkey. Why are you feeling, what is the reason you are telling that you are donkey? And he told that because we didn't put the bolts, we only put the other things. So now what happened? And when he looked for the hat for the screws, he removed and kept some of the screws in the hat, that all the screws were turning upside down and it was lying down. And this man was telling, after seeing all that, always I am very cheerful. Whatever happens also, I don't feel tension, I don't get angry. I am always in a happy moment, he is telling. And he said, oh, don't worry, I will repair and give for you. You have faith in me, he told him. So with this, I am concluding. Parents, we learn in the next class. Kindly watch the class and try to complete the notes during the vacation time, holidays time. Thank you. Have a nice day.